Hi, I am here conducting about shop talk on advantages of pneumatics and hydraulics. My name is Abhinandan and my course name is CP01 and I am from D3A section and center is Beluru, Dharwad. First, we understand about the definition of the hydraulics. First, hydraulics. Hydraulic, a mechanical function that operates through the force of a liquid pressure. Means the force is pressure is liquid by the through the force of the liquid pressure. For example, JCB, cranes and jacks. Here the example of the hydraulics. And next we understand about the pneumatics of the definition. It is a relating to by using air, wind, other gas. Example, air compressor, rock drills and brakes. EDM we are using in the projectors like a EDM, etc. And we can next understand about the advantages of and advantages and pneumatics. Advantages of pneumatics: simple in construction and easy to handle. Means it is a we are using in a simple in construction like in other some of the software industries and easy to handle. These are in the easy to handle. Operation will be faster. This operation is very faster compared to the hydraulic. Easily available. It can be easily available in the industries and other markets. Storage will be easy. Any leakage will not be much serious issue to the surroundings. Operating components are simple in construction. The operating components are in the simple in construction, not heavier than the hydraulic. Insensitive to the temperature changes. Next, advantages of hydraulics. Here we understand about the advantages of the hydraulics. Like we are seeing in a home construction like the JCB and cranes and etc. These are the compared to the pneumatic. This is very powerful because it is by using the oils and liquid materials. This is very high output source and high rigidity of the system, positive feeds and precise control. Means it is control is very precise one. Means precision work. It is not a vibration is no more. Working components self lubricated by fluids. It is a work under the lubrication like a fluids like oil and etc. Low maintenance compared to the pneumatic. It is a maintenance is very low because it is a highly powerful and low maintenance, high reliability. Means it comes longer than the pneumatic system. Low noise levels because it is work under the liquids. That's why it is a low noise levels. Response and supplies more power. Already I told it response and supplies more power than the pneumatic because that it is used in the more powers like industries and home construction. Thank you.